Hello students, Mr. Long here. This is going to be a video lecture, I guess we can call it a tutorial on how to use our book creator. There's a couple more options as I was looking through it and kind of messing around with the different options for this program and came across some pretty cool stuff. So as you choose your book, where I want you guys to choose is I want you guys to please choose landscape comic. So you will go ahead and click on that. The reason I'm having you do this is because it actually creates a bigger screen for you, allows you to have more room so you can fit all 5 requirements that you need for each cause on the page, and you'll have enough room to fit everything there, and it'll look good, it'll look decent. So from here, the really cool stuff that I found is if you click on the eye, here's the different comic backgrounds. These are just different designs that you guys can choose from. So I'm going to just randomly choose this one. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and click back on the plus. You're going to click on comics. Make sure it's highlighted on comics. Click on panels. And then what you're going to do is remember page 2 and page 3 will be divided up into 2 sections. You will put 2 causes on each one of those pages. So please make sure that you choose either this one right here or you choose the one right next to it. So for me, I'm just going to choose this one. And from here, I'm going to add my title, my text. So I'm going to click on the plus sign. And then from there, I'm going to click on text. And we have different styles of font here, which we didn't have before in the previous video lecture I showed you guys. So I'm going to click on this option and I'm going to type in militarism. Click on done. And then from there, you will use the green circle, rotate until it's straight. And of course, you can move wherever you need to. So that would be a good text maybe for your title. Now, if you guys notice, when I highlight this box, you'll see a bunch of locks, little lock symbols that surround the box. Go ahead and double click on that box, or right hand click, excuse me, and click on unlock. And from there, it allows you to move that box around if you need to. So from here, if you want to click on the plus sign once again, you have all these different options. So in my opinion, the more options you have, the better your ebook will turn out. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the media tab now. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add, say, my video that I'm going to find on YouTube, and I need to embed it. So I'm going to open up a new window. I'm going to type in militarism, World War I, in the YouTube search. I'm going to literally click on the first option, the first video, randomly. And I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back to my ebook. I'm going to click on import. I'm going to click on the tab that says embed. In this gray box underneath where it says embed code, I'm going to paste that. I'm going to click on the blue tab that says confirm web link, add to book. And then from there, I have my video. But of course, I need to resize this video. And I can actually make this video pretty small because in the previous video lecture, if you remember, if you click on the video, a new window will pop up and play the video, and the window will be bigger. So that's the way you embed your video or import your video so it actually shows up on your screen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do a voiceover. So if you click on media, once again. You click on the last tab that says record. Top right corner, you're going to see a yellow box that says start recording. From here, you're going to click on that. It's going to count down 3, 2, 1, and you will simply talk. And you will talk about everything that is on your page, the section that you are responsible for. So, of course, you're going to introduce that I have militarism. You're going to describe, you're going to talk about all the writing that's on your page. You are going to describe the 2 pictures, the 2 visuals that you have. You are going to describe and summarize what the video is all about. Obviously, you're not going to play the video, but you're just going to describe it. So you are going to do a voiceover on everything that you are responsible for. And when you are done, you are simply going to click stop recording. You're going to click use recording. Then from here, you're going to see a little symbol, which is like a little speaker. And you can put the symbol anywhere you want. And from here, all you need to do is click on this, and you will simply talk. And you will talk, and it plays. It is that simple. This program, everyone, is very user-friendly. It's just like the Google Drawings. You can't mess anything up. So please make sure that you are using this size of page. And once again, if you are using the comic features, you have a lot more options to choose from, which is once again, in the end, going to make your ebook more appealing. It's going to look better, and you will all get a better grade for doing this.